Title: Comparative analysis of temper density in different sections, insight into areas and terrains. Introduction. The purpose of this project is to analyze temper density data for three different groups: top, middle, bottom. Temper density is an important parameter in various industries, including construction and woodworking, as it affects the strength and quality of the wood. By examining and comparing the temper density of these groups, we aim to gain insight into potential variation and difference among them. Project objective or question: assessing variation, identifying trends, informing application. Assessing variation, the primary objective is to investigate if there are any significant difference in temper density among the top, middle, and bottom group. This analysis will help us understand if certain parts of the temper yield denser wood compared to others. Identifying trends. Another objective is to identifying any patterns or trends in temper density within each group. By examining the data, we can determine if there are consistent trends in the density values for the respective group. Informing application. Informing application, the project aims to provide valuable information for practical application by understanding the variation and trends in temper density. The finding can be used to informing decisions related to wood sourcing, product development, and quality control and relevant industries. Let's move the second slide. Methodology. Methodology: sample selection, temper density measurement, and terrain identification. A sample of temper piece was selected for the study, representing the three different sections: top, middle, and bottom. Temper density measurement. Each temper piece in the sample was measured for its density using standardized procedure. Terrain identification. Within each section, terrain and temper density were examined by visualizing the data using line. Let's move to the next slide. Table and graphs. As you see this table, the top is showed by red line, the middle is by orange, and the bottom is by purple. As I will give more information about this graph at this slide, this table, you can read step by step everyone, but just I give a little information. I cannot give more information because it takes more time. The summary of this table suggests that the top and bottom set have similar median values, while the middle set has a slightly higher median. The top set exhibits a wider range of values compared to the other sets, as indicated by the larger IQR. The bottom set showed the largest IQR and a relative higher mean value compared to the other sets. The lower and upper limit provide an indication of potential outlines with each set. In conclusion, this project aimed to analyze temper density data for three distinct sections: top, middle, and bottom. Through the examination and comparison of timber density among these groups, this project contributes to our understanding of timber density variation and provides valuable insight for industries that utilize wood as a primary resource. Further research in this area can lead to advancement in timber quality control and optimize the utilization of this valuable natural resource. Thank you so much for your listening.